have exactly an hour and a half to build a secret wall compartment before my family comes home.
Oh!
Do you think we can do it? Let's find out. We only have 73 minutes left. I have to be extremely careful removing the drywall because I don't have time to put in more drywall, to do any patchwork, to do any painting. So this part is taking a little bit longer than I thought it would be. "34 minutes and 54 seconds. It is getting close. Okay, please work. Less than a half hour. We are not even close. Okay, everything covers. That is a very good start. We are running out of time, you guys. We have, let's see here, 16 minutes and 20 seconds. Less than a minute to go. Almost made it. All right, so on the positive side, I now have time to finish it properly.
Even though the timer hit 0, I definitely couldn't leave it like this. I had to make it perfect. But the best part isn't the hidden cabinet. It's what happens when my family tries to find it.
Okay, so here are the motion lights. And there's one down here. So
As a reminder, this is what it looked like when we first started. And this is what it looks like now.
Okay, so here are the motion lights. There's one down here as well. These are the drawer slides. And there's what it looks like when it is shut.
Oh, what is that?
Nothing to see here. No.
Wow. What is that?
Can you put that in my room?
It's a hidden pantry.
Can you put that in my room?